Alright, so while I am sitting right here outside on my porch on this chair, I am editing right now. I forgot to film an intro. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm so sorry, I had to end this video because my brother, all of a sudden, like, when I slapped him, I didn't put that part in because I slapped him because he was like, oh, let's do it again. I'm like, no, Tyler, it's good. And so he just got mad at me and started wrestling me like a little idiot. So if you guys want to subscribe to JT611, you guys don't have to. I'm saying it's really annoying though, so you might not want to. But he's really always annoying, so yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And shout out, I forgot his name, is like Master Lock 1968. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Just go down in the comment section below on this video and comment down. I was the one who came up with the video idea. I'll pin your comment and put a heart by it, like heart your comment, so everybody could go and subscribe. So please make sure to go and subscribe to this guy. He's really cool. Gave me an awesome idea. So we did the Master Lock challenge. I already said this in the video, but if you guys don't know who does the Master Lock, it is Chris Masters. He's a WWE wrestler, and yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out. So we are outside on the trampoline right now. My brother JT1611 is right there. Sorry if you hear like a lawnmower noise or a noise in the background. One of our neighbors is mowing right now. So yeah. So we're gonna be doing a Master Lock. If you guys don't know what to say, Chris Masters from the WWE does this. So yeah. Oh, we're gonna be doing this for 2 minutes. Oh, this hurts.
Try to get out.
2 minutes to try getting out. Oh my god. Oh, this hurts. Oh my god. Ow. Oh my god. Ow. No. Oh my god.
Have it been 2 minutes?
Nope. Ow. 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 Oh my god. Ow. Ow. I. Ow. 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 I've been 2 minutes. Been 2 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys.
Let me see your neck.
Oh my god. Oh, show them it. Oh my god, guys. Show them my neck. Oh.
Alright, my turn.
So, my armpits might be weird, but my armpits are so damn red, and I broke out. But I don't know if you're even allowed to do that for the Master Lock Challenge. Because Tyler, I broke out like 5 times, but he keeps like going back in. I don't know if you guys are allowed to do that, but it's good.
Yeah, but I still have my other arm locked on you.
No, the first time I got fully out. But
No, you didn't.
however, still. Just saying my brother's gonna get out of this and like, as soon as I do it. Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he scratched my knuckles.